Good morning, students. Now, today we will start our new chapter, that is adverbs. Now, in adverbs, first we will learn definition of adverb. Adverb is a word that tells us something more about a verb. It modifies an adjective, verb, or another adverb. It also tells us what, where, when, and in what manner a thing is done. For example, first one, I ate my dinner quickly. Ate is your action word and quickly is describing how I ate my dinner. I ate my dinner quickly. So quickly will be adverb. Second one, Ram sees many puppies outside. In this, sees is action word and outside is telling where Ram sees many puppies. That is outside. So outside will be your adverb. Now, third one, she dresses elegantly. Elegantly will be adverb. Is that clear? Now, it never modifies a noun or a pronoun. For example, the dress is elegant. In this, elegant will be adjective. There is no adverb. What is elegant? Elegant is showing how the dress is. So, elegant will be adjective and dress will be noun. And in second example, I ate a heavy meal. What type of meal? Heavy. So in this case also, meal is noun. So heavy will be adjective. It will not adverb. Is that clear? So in both the cases, elegant and heavy, both are adjectives. They are not adverbs. Is that clear? Now, there are different types of adverb. First one is adverb of manner. Second is adverb of time. Third is adverb of place. Fourth one is adverb of degree. Now, first one, adverb of manner. An adverb of manner answers the question how or in what manner. Example, first one, the soldier fought bravely. How the soldier fought? Bravely. Question is how. In second example, the girl sang softly. How she sang? Softly. So softly will be adverb of manner. Third one, the child cried loudly. Loudly will be adverb. Now, second one will be adverb of place. An adverb of place answers the question where. It shows where the action is done. Example, the ball is in the bowl. So, the ball is in the bowl, it means it is showing the place where the ball is. So, it is the example of adverb of place. Second one, the books are kept here. Where are the books? Here. So, here is showing adverb of place. In third one, the clothes are kept there. Now, in this example also, there is representing the place where the clothes are kept. Now, third is adverb of time. An adverb of time answers the question when. It tells us about the time when an event takes place. Example, I read the newspaper daily. So, daily will be the time of time. Now, second one, I want the doll right now. Now is showing the time. Third one, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is showing the time. Now, fourth one, adverb of degree. An adverb of degree answers the question to what degree or extent or how much. It tells us about the extent to which an event takes place. For example, number one, Tom is very tall. Very is representing the extent or you can say degree. The water is extremely cold. Extremely is showing the degree. She is quite upset. Quite is also showing degree. Now in this way, we have completed all the four types of adverbs. Now, here you can see a chart. First one is showing how. Question is how, in which it is showing adverb of manner. In that, it answers how. So, in this case, you will find many examples like quietly, slowly, quickly, badly, softly, closely. Second one, it is adverb of place. Question will be where. So you can find in many sentences above, here, there, outside, behind, far. Now, next one, in adverb of time, we will find when. So, some examples are now, yesterday, tomorrow, soon, later, tonight. Now, last one is how much. In adverb of degree, question will be how much. Example, to, very, just, little, much, many. Now, in this way, we have completed our adverb chapter. In next video, I will give you book exercises. Till then, thank you.